Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Thank you for tuning in to Just Travel Plus, where we'll talk a little bit more about traveling, different things will be highlighted on the platform here. So today we're actually heading out to SeaWorld Orlando, Florida, where we're gonna be just having a few fun rides, and I'll just show you highlights of the day as we go along on the platform. So we're actually heading from the Disney World, the Wyndham Club in Disney World. We're heading down to the Sea World. But before we go, we're going to actually be stopping at a Denny's just to get something to eat, and then we head over there. But for the most part, so far the trip has been good. We did a road trip from Texas all the way into Florida. And as I say, I'm just going to show you highlights, bits and pieces of the day at SeaWorld. If you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, now is the time I'm going to have you. Please go ahead and like, share, subscribe to the channel, turn that notification bell on for more, and leave a comment, leave a like, and you can also go ahead and share. But don't forget that you need to subscribe to see more content. All right. And this little area, this is the area where we park. They have like multiple security officers there who is directing you to park. So it's not like you can just drive and just park wherever you feel like. No, you have to park wherever they show you, because they want it to be organized, you know, and so that way if there's any rush or anything, people can know where to go and, you know, exit the parking lot safely. But for the most part, it's a very huge place, and this is at the SeaWorld parking lot here. We're heading over, but just before we head onto the campus of SeaWorld, you know, where the rides are there, you're able to see different rides, because this is like the coaster ride where some persons are standing up and it's literally just going around. But yeah, there are so many things you can actually enjoy here. I don't think this is going to capture a lot, but if you go through the content on my platform, you will see bits and pieces of the day at Disney World, or at SeaWorld rather. Oh, Jesus. Also, look at us in this smell ring. It smells stink. I sense the one down the Fort Worth Zoo. Can't have a video anything. I don't realize.
I can see a thing.
Not a thing. What's your first Craig and move? No, sir. Zarian. See this stingray? It's cold, right? Yeah.
Please turn your flash on.
Inside here is very cold. They create a habitat for the penguins. It's very smelly, and yeah, you just have to do a 100-meter dash if you wanted to go through there. But for the most part, no lights are allowed. You know, it was just pretty okay. Are we going the right direction? Oh, so it's the sunlight out here, so. That's so. Me good. That was the fastest walk through. I don't. It was worth the wait. Start a flashback to me. Huh? And this is where we're heading over to Atlantis for the ride. It was pretty good. The boat ride was pretty good. We thought it wasn't that bad, but yeah, when you get down from this slide here, you're gonna go up to the slide on the left, and that's where the horror of the entire slide is, because you're not expecting it. But for the most part, it was a wonderful ride. And the ride felt more like, you know, having a boat with little water underneath running on train tracks. So for every little area on the track, you're feeling it under your butt, and it was just like a rough ride. You just hear it like rubbing on the metal, but because of the water and everything, it makes it a little bit more fun. That was okay, because you felt like you're falling from the sky when you're coming down, because the force you're pushed off with down that little area, it is so steep, you feel like the boat is actually lifting off, or you're lifting out of the boat. All right, and that's just the effects of all of these rides that you see up there. When you're in them going down, you feel as though your heart is ripped apart, your limbs are separate. It's just like, you know, a total different feeling. And once you do it, I don't know if you'll want to do it, but I know for sure that I'm not doing that again. All right, and this is the same thing with this Manta here. Manta is pretty good, but if you have any back problem, heart problem, you know, scare of heights, phobia or anything, this is not the ride for you. No, this is the worst ride of a lifetime. It is not the ride for you. So unless you just want to experience it and call it a day, just go up there, close your eye, and just say okay, then just pretend as if you're floating in the sky, because that's how you have to do it in order to enjoy the 2 minutes of this ride that feels like 1 hour. All right, but for the most part, it was a fun day. I'll show you, as I said, I'll show you additional videos on my platform as we go along. But thank you for tuning in. Thank you for joining the Just Travel Plus family. And as usual, leave a comment, leave a like, leave a share, and also go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more. Bye.